Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have QX60 Infiniti, and this car here, you see, if I put the car in drive, 1, 2, car is stay like 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Even it does no, this is natural. Put in drive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 seconds, then the car move. Then when you put it in reverse, also look here, 1, 2, 3. Now after you count 3, you have a delay on reverse and forward. Now they say that this car need a programming, and I believe that this is not a programming issue. It could be something else, I am not sure, but it is not electronic or electrical, even though the car have an update. Let me see that. The car have an update on the transmission. Let me show you. You see here there is an update for you see part number after programming. The bottom one, B0B, B9B. That's the update after programming. They changed the transmission with the computer. Let me see if I will be able to. Okay, engine is running. You know, if the engine is running, you cannot program it. Turn the ignition on. The ignition is on now. It's supposed to change to green, for example. Okay, now it's green. Start. Stop the what they call the AC. Where is that AC? Okay. Now you're gonna ask you for authentication, and then you're gonna put your log in. Every 3 months or every 2 months you have to renew the password. Now it says take 10 minutes. I'm going to update the computer for the latest software, but I believe that this is not a transmission electrical or electronic issue. When you change the transmission with the computer from the same car, you will not have a judder problem, because transmission computer and the CVT, they all already synchronized. You don't have to worry about it. The only problem when you have a delay, when you drive, when you are driving the car, or when you try to drive, you're gonna hit a kick. Like, okay, when you come here, you put the car in drive, you're gonna hit tick. When you put it reverse, you're gonna hit tick, 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 like this. That could be a sign of you need to configure the car. You have to do the configuration. If the configuration is not written right, you may lose the R, the R reverse, like here right now. The car, I don't have no park, no reverse, no nothing. You may lose something like that. Other than that, this car here have to be reviewed. Most of the time, those car with CVT transmission, especially Pathfinder and Q series QX60 2013 to 16, they have a lot of problems to rebuild it. It is better for you to get a brand new one. It is better to get a brand new one. That's the only thing I can say about this. So please subscribe, share, and like. Now I am programming it for the latest software. Update it, but I don't believe this will solve the problem. Okay, can you call the office for me? I'm gonna put a charger because the battery blow minimum. Programming complete. Okay, this is the car as you see here. Okay, Infiniti. Okay. Also, one of the things that I'm trying to, okay, it's a QX60. I also did G calibration, you know, like G calibration. And do I have a judder code? No. I did a G calibration and it was successful. Let me see now. Drive. You see, like this is neutral. Yeah, it's better now, I believe. You see, there is no code at all. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, before. Yeah, it is better, a little bit better. We're gonna leave it like this. We're gonna drive it. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.